Hi friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICU. Friends, today we will continue the previous topic, that is LSMW. In a previous video, we have copied the SAP data into Excel sheet. We have prepared one Excel sheet. Today we will learn how to upload that Excel data into SAP. To upload that data into SAP, we have to first of all copy that Excel data. Then we will paste that Excel data into SAP in the T code LSMW. In the step maintain source field. In this step we will define the source field for which we upload the data into SAP. So I have opened that Excel sheet which we have prepared in a previous video. So now to upload that data into SAP, we will copy this Excel data and then we will open the SAP and run the T code LSMW to paste this Excel data into SAP. So let's copy this all the fields. Now I have come to the SAP screen in the T code LSMW. Select the source field which is we have created in a previous video. GL creation is the source field which we have created. Now click on this table maintenance option. Here we will paste that Excel data by the Control V. We will paste this Excel data into SAP. So I have pasted that Excel data in SAP. Here you can now understand why I have taken the C type, because SAP accepts only C for a character. So now I have pasted all the fields which we have recorded in our previous videos. So now just save these fields and get back. So just save it by Ctrl S and get back. So now next step is maintain structure relation. In this step we will maintain the structure relation. So execute it. Select the GL creation. Here you can see the system is showing us the relation with the GL creation. So just accept it. Just select the GL creation field and click on save to maintain the relation with the GL creation. Just save it and get back. Now next step is maintain field mapping and conversion rule. In this step we will maintain the mapping with the fields. We will maintain the field mapping and conversion rule. So let's execute this step. Get into this step. Now I have entered in a step maintain field mapping. Here you can see all the fields which we have pasted from the Excel. Now click on this FS00, select it and then click on extra menu. In an extra menu you will get the option auto field mapping. This is auto field mapping. Click on it. So the system will automatically map the fields. Just continue. Click on continue. So system is proposing you the fields. Here system is showing us the first proposal, that is GL creation. 100% is matching. Just accept the proposal. It will match 100%. As we have taken the field name as a SAP, I did not enter any other name for a field name. That's why system is 100% matching all the fields. Here now click on accept all the proposal. All the proposal is 100% match because we have taken the field name same as the SAP. At the time of recording or at the time of copying into the Excel, we have taken the SAP field names. That's why I suggest you don't change the field name, except always take the field names as SAP has recommended, because otherwise here you will get some error. So all the mapping is completed now. Now system is mapped the fields. Here you can see all the fields is mapped which we have recorded. So this is the way of mapping the fields. So now today we have completed till field mapping. In a next video we will continue the further steps. If you like the video, so do subscribe and share the videos with your friends. See you soon in a next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.